Before working on an appliance, always disconnect it from the wall. Start by removing the middle panel. After removing the screws, you will need to pull it slightly upwards and out. Then remove the inner panel in order to access the interior. It is a total of 6 screws. Remove the 4 screws that are holding the control panel. Then remove the control panel by pulling it slightly downwards and out, and disconnect the door switch wire harness. Unscrew the 2 screws at the corners of the front door panel. Now remove the 6 front screws at the top of the dryer. Remove the front door panel by slightly lifting up and towards you. Remove the access panel at the back of the dryer in order to release the belt. Removing the belt is very easy. Simply force the pulley handle away from the motor and release the belt. Now you can easily remove the belt. Before removing the drum, you will need to remove the drum holder located at the top of the dryer. Push the upper panel up a bit to give room for the drum to come out. Apply lifting pressure at the bottom back of the drum and pull it out with the other hand. Disconnect all the wires and the silicone tube and place the panel aside. Remove the 5 screws holding the blower wheel cover. Remove the front cover. With a set of pliers, remove the metal tightener. You might need to wiggle the wheel to remove it. Apply some fair force. Insert the new blower in a way it fits the motor shaft and make sure it spins freely. Adjust the location if needed. Apply the new tightener. Place back the blower housing. Fit the vent in. Place back all the screws. Give it a few spins. Make sure it is free and quiet. Place the drum in a way that its shaft can fit inside the back bearing, and get a full spin to make sure it is spinning freely. Wrap the belt around the drum with the grooves facing the drum, and push it almost all the way to the back. Place the drum holder back in place. Place the door panel in a way it is on top of the top panel, then align the 2 clips to fit their sockets, and apply pressure to lock it in place. Secure the door panel with the 2 screws at the bottom corners. Now you can place back the screws at the top panel. There are a total of 6 screws. Before placing back the control panel, connect the door switch wire harness. Place back the control panel by inserting the holding teeth into their sockets and push inside. Place back the control panel screws. There are a total of 4 screws. Now you can place back the metal panel. Align the white cover with its sockets and slide it downwards. To place the belt back to the motor, simply pull the pulley handle away from the motor, then fit the belt on the motor shaft. That's it. You're done. You can find all the parts that you need in the video description.